What's up, YouTube? Thanks for checking out my channel. I appreciate you tuning in, and I'm going to show you real quick how to charge your disposable e-cig with a simple old phone charger. Any kind of USB cord will work, and as long as you have a block or something, you can plug it into your computer. That I probably don't recommend, but probably best off using a block. But I'm going to show you how to do this real quick. Not going to waste a lot of your time. It should take a few minutes, and I just want to ask real fast, will you please subscribe to the channel and show some support? I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. If I can reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away some cool stuff, some Bitcoin money, and all that good stuff too. So click that subscribe button, hit the like button if this helps you out. Let's get to the video. Okay, now you don't have to see my ugly face. So what I'm going to do is cut this cord open, and we're going to strip the wires back for the red and the black, and we're going to hook it up with some little jumpers. I got some little alligator clips here. I got these at Harbor Freight or something. They're super cheap, so you can get them anywhere. You can get them at the auto parts store, anywhere you want to go that sells electrical stuff. Hell, they sell them at Walmart. Go get them at Walmart. One red, one black. Get rid of that. How fancy is that? One red, one black. And we're gonna first cut this off. Strip this back. Okay, we got two wires. So we have basically our red and our black. So we're gonna say, yep, there we go. We got a red and a black. So that's all we need. So we're literally, it's this easy, guys. You take the black, put a black on the black, you put a red on the red. You bust your e-cig open, you're gonna find the two terminals on the battery. There's one terminal here, one terminal here. This is a Fume Extra. This is actually one of my favorites. I like the strawberry banana, probably the best flavor on the market. The strawberry banana, probably the best flavor on the market. Probably the best flavor on the market. Strawberry banana, probably the best flavor on the market. No, there's another one that's pretty good supposedly, but strawberry banana is legit. So if you go straight to the battery, you don't want to fool with the blue wire or the wires coming off this end here. You want to go straight to the battery. There's going to be a little metal tab that comes off each side of the battery, and you hook to one. One's going to have a red wire on it, one's going to have a black wire on it. So then you literally take the red jumper cable, go to the red wire, the black jumper cable, and go to the black wire. You hook that up to your block, and you are charging. So if you're just trying to figure this out really fast, that's all you need to know. But we're going to go ahead and hook it up, and I'm going to show you how it works. Don't forget, click that subscribe button, show some love. I would really appreciate that. Trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, so help me out. I appreciate that a lot. And let's hook these on here. So we're gonna pop this off. I'm not even gonna solder this, guys. I'm just gonna literally crimp it on there and call it what it is, because honestly, that's all you have to do. Also, while I'm doing this, I want to let you know I do have another video on this topic, and it was pretty successful. The thing is on that video, it's a little bit more complicated, which is why I'm doing this video, because a lot of people requested that I do this. So I'm gonna, here you are, I'm doing it for you. But I showed in my other video how to do this with charge protection. So basically, I showed how to do it with a proper charger. You can use any kind of 18650 charger, which is this. That's a 18650 battery. They are in everything you can think of, or they have batteries similar to this and everything. Something like this has a 18650 in it. I actually added a bunch of my e-cig batteries to this thing, so this thing lasts for like ever. You can do all kind of stuff with these batteries, but that's a subject for another video, which I am doing. But all kinds of good stuff on the channel. Stay tuned for it, guys. I appreciate it. And here we go. We're going to hook up the black. And then we are ready to go. Got my black crimped on, my red crimped on. Nothing special. This is literally the basicest, easiest way you could do it. It just has no charge protection, and you have to monitor these batteries at all times. Do not leave them unattended, they will catch fire. Do not leave them unattended, they will catch fire. And when they catch fire, they are like freaking napalm. They're like freaking napalm. Trust me from experience, I've seen this happen. So, Boomtown, we're going to hook this up. We got black on the black, duh, and red on the red. And that's it. So let's hook it up. We're going to give it a few minutes because this one was completely dead. We're going to give it a minute or so. Then I'm going to show you how it works. So where's my cord? Alrighty, we are hooked up. I have this little guy here, tells you the voltage and the wattage of what we're going to be putting in the battery, so you know the wattage of what you're putting into the battery. If you know a little bit more about this stuff, you can calculate your charging, but for the most part, give it about 3, 4, 5 minutes, and that's it. So we're going to put this on wattage. And right now we have 0 watts. I don't know if you can see that, but we have 0 watts coming out of the UPS, which is our power. And we're going to hook up our charger here. Alrighty, we are now pumping 14 big old watts right into that battery right now, which is a good bit. So we're charging. You can monitor this, make sure it's not getting too hot. Make sure it obviously is not catching fire, all the basic stuff, but you're charging your battery. So you should be able to technically watch this, and the wattage should start tapering off once the battery is fully charged. If you've got one of these, I don't know if you have one of these, it's called a kilowatt P3. You can get them at Harbor Freight. I love Harbor Freight, in case you haven't seen my channel. If you look at my channel, you'll notice that. But anyways, you can get one of these at Harbor Freight. They are awesome for all kinds of cool stuff. But this will help you to monitor the battery. But for the most part, all you need to do this, guys, is the block and the cord. And you don't even need the damn alligator clips. I just put those on there because it makes it a hell of a lot easier. And they're dirt cheap. Why not? So I hope you like this video. And let's see if this thing works. It's literally been charging for 30 seconds, maybe a minute. So we're going to see if it works, because it was dead as a doornail. So right away, that's how fast it was. We're going to see if this guy works. I'm going to put my covers back on the end of the battery, which are these little stickers that go on the end here. I'm going to put those guys back on just to be safe. We don't want anything shorting out on the inside. So let's put them back on. Okay, stuff everything back in there without cutting any wires. And put your cap back on. And Boomtown, you are ready to go. If you have some juice, you pop your top off right here. If you've got juice, you pop your top off, get the rubber off right there, squirt you some juice in, and you are rocking and rolling. So this thing was dead as a doornail a minute ago. Oop. Let's see if she works. Like a champ. So that was literally less than a minute of charging. It was dead. Probably should have showed you that, but it wasn't working at all. And I'm still getting plenty of flavor, plenty of juice in this guy. These fumes are famous for being very flavorful. The reason why they're so flavorful is because they are packed full of juice. So you can recharge these and reuse them multiple times. Maybe 3 times is about the max you're going to get, and you're going to start losing flavor. You're going to start noticing it. If you start tasting something funny, like fabric or plastic burning, stop using it. Don't use it no more. Get another one, they're $10, recharge it a few times, get more uses out of it. I hope this helps you guys. I hope this saves you some money, and I hope you like this video. Don't forget, click that subscribe button, show some love, hit that like button, share this with your friends, share this with everybody, and thank you for checking out my channel. Peace.